What's he doing?
Just trying to get you. Like my hair?
Yeah, I actually. Your hair is
You're a dick.
on point, honey.
What? Like a fucking razor blade.
We just woke up from a nap. I'm not feeling too well. I got some girly problems going on. I'm in a lot of pain.
Girly fizz.
I got girly fizz going on. What? Yeah, you eat that Kool-Aid.
Eat that Kool-Aid.
Like I said, I'm not myself today.
Wow, bro.
You know what? Girls are allowed to be girls, okay?
You can be a gorilla if you want.
We have our issues.
You can be a gorilla and not stop it. I'm just saying.
So anyhow, good afternoon. It is 3:02 in the afternoon. Michael's going to be leaving for work here soon. We haven't vlogged all day. I woke up this morning and was on the phone with my best friend for like 2 hours, which was amazing. And then we had to stream. And then we got off the stream, ate some food, and pretty much passed out.
Yeah. Well, I woke up at 7. So I've been up for a while. I usually don't wake up before like 8. So I was like, go ahead and make comments about the hair. Go for it.
Got hair done. Wait. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Let me get that shot of that hair, man. The face now. So let me get this straight. You put the hat on after you just showed them how screwed up your hair was. Like, literally, I went to go turn the camera on, and he grabbed the hat and put it on his head. I was like, really? They already know what your hair looks like.
What?
Put the hat back on. Don't be ashamed. Don't be
You just want
ashamed.
to put the hat back on. You're such a troll.
And I'm gonna take a green olive. Dude, I'm like obsessed with these things. I don't know why I'm obsessed with these, but I'm obsessed with them. That puppy, though.
Telling you, man. That puppy's ass is on point today.
You're so mean.
I was paying him a compliment.
It's really difficult, and I can't play it safe anymore.
What are you guys looking at? What are you looking at? Say, come here. Come here.
Huh.
Birdie vision.
Birdie vision.
Birdie vision.
So this is the bird's eye view.
Alright, guys, so we're gonna say peace out
Deuces.
for the day. We really did not do much yesterday at all. I was not feeling good, so I pretty much did a very relaxing F-off day. And today's pretty much gonna be the same, except for I do have to put in some applications and all of that for a second job. But there's a puppy! There's a cute little puppy! Oh, that little puppy's so adorable. Yes, he's so cute. See his little face with the eyes make him so cute, and then his head look alike. Yes, you're so cute. I love a puppies. I love a puppies. I love a puppies. He's so adorable. So adorable, yes. So, yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing, and Toby's being cute. But anyhow, sorry again that we didn't vlog a lot, but we really just didn't do anything. Michael went to work. I played a video game for practically like 8 hours, and then passed out right after that. So. But anyhow, thank you guys for watching our vlog. It was kind of a short one, but we will definitely see you guys tomorrow. And thank you for being awesome and stay awesome. Click that blue box for.
Yesterday's vlog.
Click that green box for.
Tomorrow's vlog.
And.
Exactly what you said.
What? What did I say?
you said.
What did I say? Say it again.
That didn't sound. It sounded all psycho and shit.
It might be.
You very well may be.
Aww.
But we love you anyway.
You do.
We do. True story.
Yay. Alright, we'll see you guys tomorrow.